This is 90 Seconds with the AFS. Breaking into the American truck market has been notoriously tough. Truck buyers are very brand focused, and if Toyota, with decades of small truck success, had trouble selling big trucks, a startup with no reputation, like Rivian, is definitely going to find it difficult to gain market share from the F-150, Silverado, or Ram truck. On the production side, supply chain issues arise when suppliers are planning for hundreds of thousands of parts and find they're supplying just thousands or tens of thousands. These differences in scale make all the difference to a supplier and can easily influence cost as well as volume. Launching its products has been slow. Delays and lowered output of the R1T pickup and the R1S sport utility have hurt the company's image to investors. All this led to a $6.7 billion loss in 2022, almost 50% worse than the prior year. Increased competition isn't making things any easier on the startup. Ford introduced an electric version of the most popular vehicle in the U.S., and price cuts among EV makers are putting pressure on Rivian's $75,000 pickup and $92,000 SUV. Rivian reports it lost $153,000 per vehicle delivered in 2022. To save money, jobs have been cut and a second plant in Atlanta has been delayed. Rivian's once stellar image has been tarnished over the year, and more work is needed to get the company back on track. The company burned through about a third of its cash in 2022. Generating positive revenue from its vehicles quickly will be necessary to support the company going forward. For more in-depth information on this and other topics, check out the Auto Forecast Monthly, this month and every month. I'm Sam Fiorani, and this has been 90 Seconds with AFS.